simple finish at the rim, and if you don't have a rim, just do it around 5 times, 5 moves, turn back around, 5 moves, and do this for about 5 minutes. This way I started last time, this way?
Yeah.
This one it's pretty simple. It's going to be attacking 2 dribbles, pulling back 2, crossover, and same thing with your left hand. You want to do this about 20 reps, and you can change up your crossover each time. So when you attack, you can do a normal cross, and then when you pull back again, you can do between the legs or behind the back. Another drill you can do, work on your right hand strength if you're left-handed, and your left hand strength if you're right-handed. But to work on them both equally, we'll just do pound series. I know that someone did in the past video, but I think this is really important. So you want to do it 20, 25 times. So you go. And then you switch over to your left. And as you can tell, I am better with my right hand than my left hand, but it's good if you do lose the ball. It means you're pounding hard, and that's what's important. Another good drill that you can do almost anywhere is you can just start with either your right hand or your left hand, get in a low position, and just rock back and forth. And then once you've got that, you can do it between the legs, start with your right hand, and just sit. And then give it your left hand. And then you can change it up. Start with your right, go behind. And then you can start with your left. It's easier if you pound harder. If you're not dribbling hard enough, you're gonna lose control of the ball. But if you pound and get it to your left hand or your right hand, it's just quicker and it's more forceful. This is just a basic layup type of drill. You're gonna start in the right corner. You're gonna go, you're gonna do a layup. You're gonna take it back with your left hand, touch the line, come back to your left side. Do it with your right hand, touch the line, go back to your right side. You wanna do that. Do it until you get 8 makes on each side. Take a break and go back at it again. All right, so this time you're gonna set up 3 cones. Right now I only have 2, but you're gonna set up 3, and you're gonna go and you're gonna do like in the first video I sent, and just work on a tight cross. You go here, cross, 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 and then turn back around and do it again, but switch it up to between the legs. Cross, cross, turn back around, and do behind the back. And you want to do that for about a couple minutes until you get a good breathing going.